Have you ever wished you could drive a high-end SUV that matches your level of adventure? Welcome to my channel. We're looking at the 2025 Land Rover Discovery today. This automobile combines power and elegance. It's not just any other car. Let's quickly review its journey. The Land Rover Discovery, which originated in the wild regions of Britain, has been conquering situations ever since its 1989 launch. It has often shown itself in forests across Africa and on cold highways in the Nordic region. Modern features and design elevate this tradition to new heights in the 2025 model. Stay tuned for a behind-the-scenes look at what really sets this model different. The 2025 Land Rover Discovery is a technological advance, combining contemporary elegance with traditional strength. It's made for those looking for adventure who don't want to sacrifice comfort or style. The 2025 Discovery's aggressive grille, sleek Eletta headlights, and elegant lines make it stand out. Its sleek alloy wheels and new color options enhance its sophisticated yet powerful appearance. The 2025 Discovery has superb visibility, smooth handling, and fast steering, making it a delight to drive. Because of its strong off-road skills, it's ideal for both exciting vacations and urban travelers. The Discovery's interior is luxurious and comfortable, with premium materials, cozy seating, and a roomy cabin. Every drive is delightful thanks to the innovative infotainment system and the adjustable lighting conditions. The 2025 Discovery offers strong performance, agile handling, and remarkable fuel economy with its powerful engine options. A smooth and secure ride on any terrain is guaranteed by its cutting-edge suspension and renowned off-road skills. With features like a responsive touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a high-end sound system, and Wi-Fi hotspot functionality, the Discovery's cutting-edge technology keeps you connected. In the 2025 Discovery, safety is the first priority. It offers excellent protection for you and your passengers, with features like dynamic cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automated emergency braking, and a stronger body structure. Please subscribe our channel.